In the silence between the ages, the heavens held their breath. Then a sound like thunder shattered the stillness. The Lion of the tribe of Judah rose, not with a whisper, but with a roar that shook the foundations of the earth. This is his sound. This is his moment. This is the roar of glory. Roar, Lion of Judah, roar. Break the chains, shake the floor. Crowned in fire, clothed in praise, you will reign through endless days. Almighty King, let the nations hear your sound. Let the heavens bow down.
I saw flames before his throne, golden light and jasper stone, eyes like fire, voice like seas, calling out through centuries.
Roar, Lion of Judah, roar. Break the chains, shake the floor. Crowned in fire, clothed in praise, you will reign through endless days.
Almighty King,
Let the nations hear your sound. Let the heavens bow down.
he walks among the seven flames, speaking truth and breaking chains. With his breath the strongholds fall. He alone is Lord of all.
Roar, Lion of Judah, roar. Break the chains, shake the floor. Crowned in fire, clothed in praise, you will reign through endless days. Almighty King, let the nations hear your sound. Let the heavens bow down.
Trumpets blast across the land. Heaven moves at his command. Every tribe and tongue confess Jesus reigns in righteousness.
Roar, Lion of Judah, roar. Break the chains, shake the floor. Crowned in fire, clothed in praise, you will reign through endless days.
Almighty King,
Let the nations hear your sound. The heavens bow down.
in my valley, in my night, I heard a roar that lit the fight. Now I run with fearless grace, led by Judah's lion faith.
Roar, Lion of Judah, roar. Break the chains, shake the floor. Crowned in fire, clothed in praise, you will reign through endless days.
Almighty King,
Let the nations hear your sound. Let the heavens bow down.
from the scroll he broke the seal, and the roar became the real. All the powers of hell grew still.